InDaynaMo and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hello guys, how are you all on either side of the universe? Yes. So good morning guys, good morning everybody, good morning Jax.
What's up? Hi guys.
So today guys, we're inside the car. So where are we heading, Jax?
We're going to a place called Hopkins Falls. It's less than a 20-minute drive from Warrnambool, probably a 15-minute drive. And yeah, it's just a waterfall close to Warrnambool, which is on the Hopkins River, which actually leads into Warrnambool. So we're just pretty much going up the road, and yeah,
continue on
there's
Hopkins Falls Road for 4 kilometers.
As Google says. Yeah, there's a waterfall. I think there's a viewing platform at the top, and then you can walk down some stairs, I think, to get to the bottom, so you can see it at sort of two different angles. Yes, hi on.
Bulaga! So ayan na guys, so we are going to the waterfalls in the yes, so we are 3 minutes na lang on the waterfalls, and guys, we will bring you there. So what are we waiting for? Happy
Watching. So guys, from the car park. So very close to everything. I think it's saying that it used to be a lava bed. So that there is countryside. You can see all the cows and stuff down the bottom there. And here we go. So this is the top of the falls. Let me zoom out. There we go. So there's a bridge over there. This is the top part of the falls. So this is like the top. If you go to the next lookout, you'll be able to see the actual falls themselves.
Just what the logo from our back is there.
Cool, Mr. Eating. Off to the other one. Flies out today. Okay, so there's eels in there apparently. So now we just had another look out here. So we'll see a different angle. There we go, that's the falls there. Boss spot away the flies. So it's actually been pretty dry here. So I'm guessing like when there's a bit more rain and stuff, it will flow even heavier. But all this river here leads down into Warrnambool. So where we sort of started from just then to have breakfast, that flows probably 15-20 minutes out to the ocean. So that's the falls there. And I'll show you the countryside below. So that there's the other viewing area, which doesn't look like there's steps. Oh yeah, it looks like there's some steps, but it looks like a walking path, so we'll go down there shortly. Okay, now we walk to the bottom, guys. Oh, there's actually some stuff over there. So it looks like there's a barbecue, there's toilets, picnic tables, so you can actually stop off here for a bit. So just different bird life and fish and that live there down in the water below. So here we go, here's some stairs. It doesn't look like there's too many, so it shouldn't be too bad getting back up again. How you going InDaynaMo? There's lots of cows down there too.
Hopkins Falls, measuring 19 meters wide and plunging 12 meters over dark basalt rocks. The curtain-like Hopkins Falls is the largest in the Hopkins River, taking the view from the two viewing platforms overlooking the falls, and take the easy path to the platform below for postcard-worthy snaps.
There you go, Hopkins Falls there. So where we were before, there's the first lookout, and there's the second lookout up there. Then down here, there's some chairs to sit down on. So we're going back again. Oh yeah. Out there InDaynaMo wants selfie while I get stabbed in the legs by weeds. Oh yeah. Okay. So I think we've given you enough falls from all, well, 3 different angles. So guys, that is Hopkins Falls. There's InDaynaMo doing that rato, doing selfie, doing stories. So guys, Hopkins Falls, less than 20-minute drive from Warrnambool. So time to make this trip back up again. So only 100 meters and probably, I don't know, less than 30 stairs, I think. I mean, but an axe just went up there, so it can't be too bad.
Visit the falls in winter to see them at their most impressive, and to keep an eye out for baby eels jumping the rocky ledges during their winter migration.
Can't InDaynaMo.
I'm so full.
Yeah, it's very full. So yeah, it's not all stairs. You do get to go up some walking ramps too. And we're nearly already back at the top. See, it's not so bad after all. So as I was showing just before,
Hopkins Falls is just a 15-kilometer drive from Warrnambool, a popular picnic spot. The area above the falls has barbecue and toilet facilities.
so there's toilets over there. We have a seating area. There's a couple of picnic tables and chairs, and barbecue and rubbish bin for all your basura. So come here for a stopover and cook your lunch, have a picnic, and then go on your way. So yeah, information about keeping the stuff clean. You can't stay here overnight, so no sleeping in your car or in your van. So that it is, guys.
So, that's it guys. That's our Hopkins Falls for today's video dito sa Victoria, Australia. Guys, is one of the tourist attraction na kapag kayo ay pupunta ng Victoria somewhere. So, So guys, libre lang dito. No admission upon entry. So makita nyo, there's a cows there earlier sa video. And my water. So we are lucky kasi nga madaming tubig for today's video. So guys, pwede kang bumaba doon. There's a stair doon. And when you go up, you can see the other side. They have a area for, I think, a barbecue. They have a table set there and with chair, of course. So ayun na nga guys, there's a 2 viewing points too. Meron ding spaces for the parking lot. Mapapaparkingan kasi there's a lot of parking space there. So guys, that's the end of our Hopkins Falls for today's video dito sa Victoria, Australia. I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And thank you very much for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye-bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao!